Acer R240HY bidx 23.8-Inch IPS HDMI DVI VGA 1920x1080 widescreen monitor, black. 23.8 Full HD IPS widescreen with 1920x1080 resolution. Response time 4 milliseconds, refresh rate 60 Hz, pixel pitch 0.2745 mm. 178-degree wide viewing angle, display colors 16.7 million. The zero-frame design provides maximum visibility of the screen from edge to edge. Signal inputs 1x HDMI, 1x DVI, with and 1x VGA. Does not support HDCP 2.2. The version this monitor supports is HDCP 1.4. No picture visible using the OSD menu. Adjust brightness and contrast to maximum or reset to their default settings. Brightness is 250 nit. Operating power consumption 25 watts. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.